Hi, it's me, Carrie B. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment, and ring the bell so you'll know when I go live and release new videos. Thanks for watching. I found a hack for making some more fun spinner cards with the Tulip Fields bundle from Stampin' Up. I used the photopolymer stamps on watercolor paper, and then I die cut them using the included die cuts that come in that bundle. What I really love about using the precision glue as a glaze over the top of the watercolor paper and the misty moonlight blue is that the color sort of bleeds like real Delft blue china in Holland, so it gives it a really cool effect. I also cut about 12 hearts to go on the ends of the fan blades, but cut a few more and cut some other pieces while you're at it, like a little assembly line. Save yourself some time, make yourself a little stash. I lay everything out on my silicone mat, and that's where I apply the precision glue and let it dry. Here you can see I've used the precision glue to create a nice glaze. I like to layer it up a couple at a time. So I'll do one layer and then I'll let it dry, and then I'll add another layer really thick and I'll let it dry overnight, and it creates this really great jelly looking texture. Here I have taken the pieces that I stamped and I'm cutting them apart. I'm cutting the buildings apart from the blades of the windmills. It takes about 3 stamped and die cut images to create one spinner windmill. I'm tracing the spinner and I'm going to create kind of a reinforced fan that we will attach separately in just a minute. Here I'm cutting out the pieces to make sort of a template for the stamped images to fit on. Because not all of the fan blades are complete, you have to use 2 of the complete fan blades twice. So that's what I'm doing here. So I'm using 2 complete and then another 2. And then I'll glue them to my template, my fan template, which creates a reinforced piece for me to put a hole through the center of. Little fine tuning. If you watched my other video about my windmill spinner card, you might be familiar with what I'm about to do here. Using some black cardstock, I create an area for the spinner mechanism to rotate on that sticks up above the actual stamped image. This gives the windmill a little height and makes it just a little bit more functional, keeps it from getting caught on the building, and it adds a little bit more height to the windmill as well so that it doesn't look so stubby. And then I go ahead and I add those jelly hearts to the ends of the fan, and I assemble the card. This is a slimline card design. I've used some upcycled pages from a book that I stamped and blended, some black cardstock, and this is some paper from Daffodil Days. I've used graduated die circles to get this effect. And then using Stampin' Dimensionals, I've gone ahead and added some height to those windmills. Don't forget to bend your windmills out just a little bit and they'll spin easier. If you subscribe to my newsletter, you're going to get a technique sheet on how to recreate this card design. Let's keep in touch. Thanks for watching.